Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our battery organizer case. Our battery organizer case makes storing, transporting, and organizing your batteries a complete breeze. First we'll go over the layout and then the features of the case. The case comes with pre-cut foam that fits 20 D batteries, 17 C batteries, 58 AA batteries, 64 AAA batteries, 18 9-volt batteries, and 22 CR2032 batteries. The clear lid allows for quick visual counts, and the batteries sit above the foam for easy grabbing. The case features 2 slide latches with positive feedback, as well as 2 padlockable holes for added security. At the bottom, there are feet so that the case can stand upright on its own. The case also features an integral handle for easy carry, and raised edges so that the case is stackable if you have more than one. You can find this case and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.